Take a ride in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, convertible soft top, fog lamps, front license plate bracket. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.